I'm recording the first part of the video at the end so I can kind of narrate through what happened. So I'm in my warehouse, and you tell me if I'm wrong. I don't know. I could be wrong. I could be right. I'm not sure. But in my warehouse where I store my equipment, and that silver car right there behind me, he actually, I guess, works out of there. He was walking his dog, and actually back this way, back there, and his dog takes a huge dump, and he waits for the dog to take a dump, and then he just keeps walking. So I asked him, I said, are you going to clean that up? And his response was, I don't have a bag. So I'm like, okay, well, go get a bag. And so then he walks back to his warehouse there. I believe I'll walk over there. I think I said it earlier when I was recording. He walks back over there and basically doesn't do anything. So then I go in, I'm like, hey, you want to clean up your dog crap? And he's like, stop harassing me. So first, I don't think it's harassment because I also work in this complex. And even if I'm a patron at one of these other businesses all through here, the last thing I want to do is step on some dog crap and then have to clean it off of my shoe because you're just being a terrible human. So anyway, so he's like, stop harassing me, blah, 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 blah. And then you'll see in the video here, he says, go talk to the landlord. And when the landlord tells me to clean it up, that's when I'll clean it up. And I apologize, I'm sweating like crazy because I just got done unloading my equipment here. So he says, go to the landlord, and when the landlord tells me to clean it up, then that's when I'll clean it up. And so then, of course, I'm like, what sense does that make? That's stupid. Just go ahead and clean it up now. And then his other coworker or boss, whoever he is in that bay over here, he says, we'll clean it up. We'll get to it as soon as we get done here. So they've been walking around this place for a little while, still haven't cleaned anything up. JTW Graphics. JTW Graphics is the name of the company here. So I'm going to actually, you can see them back there, again, right back there. JTW Graphics, he came over to a couple of different bays, talked to a few different people, and still is yet to clean up his poop. And now he's looking at me like, oh, this guy, see, this is what I'm talking about right here. Exactly what I'm talking about. He can do everything but clean up the poop, right? That's exactly what we can do, right? Everything but what you're supposed to do as a human being, right? I know, I'm the bad person, right? Because I'm the one that doesn't let my dog poop and not clean it up, but I'm the bad person. I'm the bad person. I'm the joke, but you're the one that lets your dog... I'm the joke, but you let your dog poop in the open and then don't clean it up. But I'm the joke, and you're still walking around here. So it's JTW Graphics. Again, it's right back there. And that was the guy, the one that didn't clean up his dog poop. So you guys tell me, maybe I'm the wrong person, maybe I am a joke, but you tell me, am I wrong or is he wrong? I didn't let my dog poop on the ground and not clean it up. I didn't, disregard everybody else on the planet because I have this little pit bull, or I wish it wasn't a pit bull, I think it was a bulldog. But you tell me, am I the wrong person or is he the wrong person? Am I making too much out of it? How would you feel if you stepped in dog poop? Would you be happy or would you be upset? So I don't know, just you tell me, blast me in the comments, do whatever you want to do. Just let me know, am I the wrong person or is he the wrong person? Okay. So going into building, let's see, 5933, Bay 12, I think it is. There's got to be a bag in there somewhere, right? I said there's got to be a bag in there somewhere, right, to clean up the poop?
Just tell the landlady. I've been here 20 years. Don't harass me about the dog shit.
Well, your dog is it's your dog that you're letting shit all over the place, so clean it up, dude.
Here, just complain to the landlady when she tells me not to.
Complain to the landlady when she tells me not to. Complain to the landlady when she tells me not to.
You don't own that land over there. Don't worry about.
But if I walk over there and I step in your shit, then what? Then what? What's the name of this place again? Okay, so it's BB12. He let his dog just poop all over the place, and then his excuse for not cleaning it up is that he doesn't have a bag in his bay. What is the name of this company? JTW Graphics. Huh, that's interesting. So you're just gonna let your dog just, so if I, Why don't you just let it poop right here in front of your place then? I mean, I don't understand, dude. Complain to the landlady. Complain to the landlady. That's when he'll clean it up. I mean, all you got to do is clean it up, dude. Like, seriously? Complain to the landlady. All you gotta do is clean it up, man. It's not that hard. All you gotta do is clean it up. Clean up your poop, man. I mean, it's that simple. Just clean it up.
Don't worry, we'll pick it up. Don't worry. What warehouse are you in here?
It doesn't matter.
What warehouse are you in?
Around here somewhere. I'm in one of the warehouses around here.
What warehouse?
But one of them around here.
Okay. You don't even work here. You're harassing.
Oh, really?
That's why I'm asking you what warehouse you're in.
But doesn't matter. But that trumps decency, right?
Pick it up when I'm done. I'll get it. Don't worry. Okay.
It matters which warehouse, which bay I'm in. You're the one that's letting your dog poop, and it's not even in front of your bay. Like, come on, dude. So he's walking his dog from there, over here. He's asking me which bay I'm in. Like, the bay that I'm in matters when you're the one letting your dog just poop wherever and not even cleaning it up. I've been here for 20 years, so you've been doing this for 20 years? It comes all the way over here to take his crap. Like, it's crazy. It's crazy. What the heck it is? So he's gonna try and scour through all of this grass to find the poop that his dog did instead of just picking it up to begin with. And, oh yeah, whatever, it's okay.
To my job? I was working, was I not?
Were you walking your dog?
I told you, said I'll get the shit. Don't worry.
No, you didn't.
I
You
didn't
said
have a bag when you said something about the shit. Yes, I did say I'd get the shit. Complain to the landlady when she tells me not to.
Complain to the landlady when she tells me not to. Complain to the landlady when she tells me not to.
Yes, I did say I'd get the shit. Don't worry, come by tomorrow when Arlene is here and you can talk to her. Why is it such a big deal? He's like a Karen. I've never met a male version of a Karen.
I'm not the one that let my dog shit on the ground and I cleaned it up. How is that being a Karen? Clean up your dog shit. You had enough time to walk your dog, have enough time to get a bag.
Right there, I have to bother you for.
What if I'm walking through there?
When the dog shit,
But you knew, let's see, dogs have a complexity of actually going out and shitting when they're in public. Do they not? Do they not?
No,
Yes, they do.
No,
Yes, they
dog
do.
is never in public.
Oh, okay, your dog is never in public. You're right. It was a surprise. It was a
Yeah,
surprise
that's
that your
right.
dog actually shit when he was in the grass. That,
Go to work.
dude, you're garbage, man. You're garbage as hell. I'm wrong. I'm a Karen, but you're the one. You're the one that let your dog take a crap in public. You did not. You did not. You said. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. I'm.
The fuck yourself. And you think you can complain to Mary or Marlene.
That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. You're working, so don't worry about me then. Let me record my video. Let me record my video. That's all. Let me record my video. You're garbage. Let me record my video. Exactly. Exactly. Let me do what I'm doing and you do what you're doing.
You got it, Steve. You got it.
I'm sorry, what was that? Say that again. I'm sorry, I didn't hear you. What was that? Something about you got it, G? What is that supposed to mean? What is that supposed to mean? What was that supposed to mean? You got it, G? Like, what was that supposed to mean? I don't understand what that means. Can you explain that to me? Can you explain that to me? Oh, yeah, you got it, G. What does that mean? What does that mean? He's like, okay, yeah, cool, you got it, G. What does that mean? Explain that.
I said you got it on video.
You got it, G. You got it, G. Okay, whatever, man. Whatever, man.
Exactly. All right, whatever. I'm sorry. I didn't mean that in any other way. We'll clean it up. Don't worry.
Okay.
Don't worry.
Okay. So I was recording my video and then they're like, I'm a joke and I, back and forth, whatever, that's fine. But the interesting part is he said his dog never goes out in public. So it was a surprise that his dog actually took a crap. So instead of actually cleaning it up when it happened, what he decided to do was just let it go. And then I said something. So then he said, go tell the manager, then that's when we'll go ahead and clean it up. Then he said, no, I'm going to clean it up as soon as we get done. Really, dude? And the funny part is he called me a Karen. A Karen is somebody who comes up to people that are doing nothing, and having an issue with that. You let your dog, you let your dog take a crap in public where people walk, where I walk every time that I'm in the warehouse. Every time that I come to do my work, I walk over there. You let your dog crap there. So if I'm not paying it, so now I got to watch out for dog bombs. That's not a Karen. That's not a Kyle. But you tell me, is that being a Kyle? Is that when someone is doing what they're not supposed to be doing, who is letting their dog crap, where people walk, and then you take issue with that? That's being a Karen? That's being a Kyle? You tell me, is that what that is? Is that what I was doing? Or am I just not a person who wants to walk in dog crap? Again, you tell me. I could be wrong.